Hi folks, Jeremy here, keeping it clean, moss removal and house washing. Just wanted to show, this is a typical setup before any job, before we even get on that roof. Everything's tarped off, a lot of moss on the roof. You don't want to be picking that out of flower beds or anything like that. So we always take the time to tarp off your landscape, grass, etc. You can see we got everything tarped off around this east side. Hot tub cover, water feature. We'll go the extra mile. We're halfway through the job. This is a rooftop view of what it looks like when we are done cleaning a mossy roof, 10-12 pitch, so we're off a rope. But all the gutters are clean. You can see all the mess is caught on the tarps. And then we'll jump down and we'll start washing the house down. We'll check back with you. We are at the end of the job. We just did the final rinse. Everything is washed down, homeowners approved. So that means we can roll up, we're good to go. Face of the gutters are completely clean. We've got our last tarp right there, rolled up. Sidewalks washed. Yeah, roof's in great shape and everything around it's clean. We're all about quality. If something gets damaged, we're there to take care of it. I always walk around, even if my guys are on a certain section of a house, and I make sure that, everything looks good. I hope that they'd be honest and tell me if, something breaks or something like that. But even then, I'm gonna go check myself and make sure everything is good. And that's why it's important to have, a good foreman or somebody that has years of experience on the job. And, if anything goes wrong, they can address it right there. You always want to bring it to the homeowner's attention. You don't want them to find out about it later, if something happens. So no matter what it is, and we've had accidents, you want to bring it to the attention of the homeowner. If they're not home, give them a call and tell them what's going on, offer to replace it. So you always want to be on the same page with the homeowner, and things will be okay.